Audio hardware manufacturer McIntosh has this week announced a new addition to their range of precision turntable systems with the launch of the new McIntosh MT2, which is now available to purchase from worldwide dealers priced at approximately $4,000. The McIntosh MT2 turntable has been designed to combine the latest turntable technology to deliver superb performance and accurate playback, offering a great way to upgrade your home audio system to play vinyl records. The MT2 plays both 33-1/3 and 45 RPM records and features tracking force, anti-skate force, cartridge overhang, and arm height, all of which are preset from the factory for the perfect performance straight out of the box. The MT2 is a great way to upgrade your home audio system to play vinyl albums. A full complement of features allows for all recordings to be reproduced with flawless realism. Its advanced electronic and mechanical design will give you many years of smooth, trouble-free operation. A subtle green glow emanates from under the platter and the outside edges of the plinth for a touch of refined ambience. The MT2 comes with a moving coil cartridge that has a high enough output to make it compatible with not only moving coil phono inputs but also moving magnet inputs, says McIntosh. The noise-free vertical bearings on the turntable feature two precision ceramic surfaces with damping fluid. The horizontal bearing is a gimbaled sapphire design. The belt-driven, solid black outer platter is made from a special dynamically balanced polyoxymetylene, POM, and is over 1 inch thick.